In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy sauteed green banana recipe that you can have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I've already peeled and washed my bananas over here, and also I've chopped up 3 large onions. So to get started, I'm going to be chopping up my green bananas into half and into quarters and into fries. So you'll chop the green bananas to your own preference. If you love thick fries, you can chop the green bananas thick, and if you love the fries a little bit thin, you can do that as well. Also at this point, I've placed a frying pan over medium flame with cooking oil. So as I chop, the oil is going to get hot. Transfer back to my bowl. So I'm cutting up my green bananas into wedges. You can see what I'm talking about. The good thing about this recipe is that it's cheap and very delicious. This is how the green bananas are looking after chopping up into wedges, and I've washed and dried up my green bananas. I'm going to transfer my frying pan to another burner, and in this burner, I'm going to place another pan. Add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my onions. Stir in to coat the onions with the cooking oil. And then I'm going to reduce the flames to low, so that the onions can slowly cook as I fry my green bananas. Check if my oil is hot by inserting a skewer once I notice bubbling, or once you notice bubbling, the oil is ready for my green banana wedges. Carefully drop in my green bananas into the cooking oil. As the green banana wedges are frying, I'm going to check on my onions, and the onions have started to soften up. So to season my onions, I'm going to be adding in some black pepper and salt. You can also add some seasoning of your choice. So I'll add in about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also, the frying time for the green banana depends on the size that you have chopped up your green bananas. For me, I'm going to be frying for around 4 minutes because the banana wedges are not too big. Also, after adding in the green bananas, don't use your skimmer. Wait for around 2 minutes before flipping the green bananas, because the bananas will break down because they are super soft. After adding in the black pepper into the onions, the aroma in the kitchen is just so good. Check on my green bananas. Toss around the oil a little bit. Oh yum, this is looking so good. After flipping my bananas, I'm going to give the banana wedges around 2 minutes to cook completely. Also check on your onions, because you don't want to brown the onions. You just want the onions to soften up. This is how my banana wedges are looking at this point, and I absolutely love how the banana wedges have turned out. After 2 minutes of cooking the onions, this is how the onions are looking like. So I'm going to put out the flames. Using a skimmer, I'm going to shake off the excess oil and transfer to my pan with the onions. After adding in the banana wedges into the pan, I'm going to coat the bananas with the delicious onions, which are seasoned to perfection. And at this point, I'm using low flame because I don't want the onions to burn. I'm going to cook for around 1 minute so that the banana wedges can soak in the nice spices. As I mentioned earlier, at this point you can add in your seasoning of choice. I just chose to add in some black pepper and salt. Toss the banana to be coated with the coriander, and my green bananas are ready. Transfer to my plate, and the bananas are looking so delicious at this point. Wow. Sprinkle in with a little bit more coriander to garnish. My sauteed green bananas are looking absolutely amazing and perfect. You can serve the sauteed bananas for breakfast or as a side dish and enjoy as a family.